it to travel. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ace and today we have a wrecked Land Cruiser Prado. So the car took a fair amount of damage after the crash, but we will be putting our best efforts to restore the car back to driving roadworthy condition. And of course, if you enjoy such content and would like to see more in the future, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. So first things first, all the damaged body panels were stripped and the body itself separated from the chassis. Also, the whole interior was stripped to check for the extent of the damage. And in case you're wondering, yes, the chassis was measured and fortunately enough did not bend during the crash. Korada yetu mama. Sindio? Kwani kesho? Lakini basi wataniona na sina pesa, ndio shida. Sasa watakupe ama just. Unataka tu nyie na tengeneza tena big team. Pesa ana. pia tunaona kijana yetu shupavu amemaliza kufanya the brakes and the wheels. So in case that does not function in the future, you know where to find him. Job is done. Yes, kawaii. So fitting has already started. So these doors are being fitted just to check how much the frame is bent, because if the frame was flush, then they would fit perfectly. Yeah, that is just far off. That is terrible. Yo, man. So it's evident that this car took one heck of a slam. The driver's side is quite okay. Not too much damage. But now on this side, after the impact, it seems that this section moved a little bit back because, well, check this out. And yet, those have been aligned with that. A second option will be to cut out the section of the bent front. And we just happen to have this one lying around. And we can see that things are working out a lot better with our new frame. The atmosphere charting the stratosphere. I prayed for you, kept you near, and hopes you chase away my fears. I'm on my own, maybe so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Help for us because I believe the home is just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. You meant the world to me. hapo itagusa.
Pablo inua hapo, wacha mjinga. Twende. 2 3 twende juu.
Twende kasonge, kasonge. Kasonge, kwa juu.
Twende.
Toa shingo hapo wewe, shingo.
And with that, we have come to the end of this video, or this episode in particular. It's evident that the Prado has gone through a crazy amount of work since it first came to the garage, and hopefully with time it will be rolling on the road. Not rolling, oh my goodness. Not rolling like wheels moving, you get. Anyways guys, I hope you did enjoy the video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.
You know I'm after this shit till the world say my name. Say my name. Say my name. You know I'm after this shit till the world say my